1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Let's consider the chapters. Now, in the previous video, I shared with you about the origin, the status of Nigerian Constitution, the number of chapters, the number of sections, and the type of constitution we have in Nigeria. Now, let's consider the chapters. We have 8 chapters of the Constitution. All right, chapter 1 talks about general provisions. Chapter 1 consists of section 1 to 12. Chapter 1 of the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria is general provisions, which is section 1 to 12. Are you following? All right. Chapter 2 talks about fundamental objectives. Fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy. All right. Fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy. This is between section 13 to section 24. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 talks about citizenship. And this is between section 25 to section 32 of the Constitution. Chapter 4 talks about fundamental human rights. Fundamental human what? Rights. That is between section 33 to section 46 of the Constitution. Chapter 5 talks about the legislature, the National Assembly and the state houses of assembly, between section 47 to section 129. Chapter 6 talks about the executive, from the federal level to the state level. That is between section 130 to section 229. Chapter 7 talks about the judicature. That is between section 230 to 296. Chapter 8 talks about Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and supplementary provisions. That is between section 297 to 320. All right. These are the chapters of the 1999 Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. The titles from general provisions to fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy, citizenship, fundamental human rights, the legislature, the executive, the judicature, Federal Capital Territory Abuja, and supplementary provisions. All right, you can take a screenshot. In the next video, we will discuss the schedules of the Constitution. I trust you have learned something from this video. Bye for now.